My name is Shweta Saxena and I'm going to explore the new experiment that is about JDBC and ODBC connection in advanced Java lab. Now we will cover about before starting JDBC connections, we need to understand some topics like what is JDBC, architecture of JDBC, types of JDBC driver available, steps to connect to database, and types of statement. Firstly, we need to know what is JDBC. JDBC acronym of Java Database Connectivity. JDBC का full form है Java Database Connectivity. Through Sun Microsystems claims that it is not the full form. Now, JDBC is a standard Java API for independent database connection between a Java program and wide range of relational database. It is present in java.sql package. What we need to do, हमें सबसे पहले what we have, there is a database like some database is there and we have some Java applications. What we will do, we will have some uh, connection to retrieve any query from the database. We need a Java application, and in both of them, this is a database. And what is this? This is Java application from where we can get the data output. And this is what this is a connection between Java application and the database, that is connectivity. So we need Java application for retrieving any data from the database. So this is generally JDBC stands for JDBC Java Database Connectivity. सो जनरली क्या होता है कि वी हैव अ डेटाबेस, उससे मुझे कोई भी डेटा अगर पिक करना है तो व्हाट वी डू, वी नीड अ कोड दैट इज जावा एप्लीकेशन एंड देयर इज अ ब्रिज. सो दिस ब्रिज इज नोन एज JDBC ODBC कनेक्शन, दैट इज JDBC ODBC कनेक्टिविटी. जैसे ही आपका कनेक्शन सक्सेसफुली एस्टैब्लिश हो जाता है, यू execute a query and you can retrieve a data from the database. So architecture of JDBC is like Java application, JDBC API, that is drivers, and JDBC driver. हर database there are different type of databases, so there are different type of drivers also. Like you have using Oracle, then you use JDBC driver for SQL server, and ODBC data structure for JDBC driver. So this is the architecture for JDBC. Now go to the JDBC driver. There are four types of JDBC drivers. Like one is the native, that is JDBC ODBC bridge driver. This is installed into the MySQL database access. So this is a native bridge or driver. Second, native API partially Java driver. Third is NAT protocols all Java driver. Fourth one is native protocol all Java driver. Now, what we need to do, we need to establish a connection between database and the Java application. What we need to do, we need to certain execution of some steps. Like first is define the connection URL, establish the connection, create the statement object, execute a query, process the result, close the connection. सबसे पहले आता है steps to connect. सबसे पहले what we need to do, define the connection URL. This is the code for Java we use to connect to the database. URL बनाने के लिए होगा Java driver के लिए we have class dot name and this is the driver name. Similarly, if Oracle database to oracle.jdbc driver.oracle driver, ऐसे ही SQL के लिए. Now establish, first is define the connection URL, establish the connection. Then you need to establish connection, you need to write this connection con. This is the object and this is the driver manager dot get connection. ये ऑलरेडी फिक्स सिंटेक्सेस हैं जो आपको यूज करने हैं फॉर मेंटेनिंग द कनेक्शन. सेकेंड स्टेप एस्टैब्लिश कनेक्शन हो गया, एंड देन थर्ड स्टेप इज क्रिएट द स्टेटमेंट ऑब्जेक्ट. तो स्टेटमेंट ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करने के लिए व्हाट वी नीड टू राइट अ स्टेटमेंट क्लास एंड दिस ऑब्जेक्ट con dot create a statement. This is the syntax for creating a statement or executing a query. Now we all know that there is a SQL and there is a Oracle database. What we do, execute the query like for select dot, this is a table, any one table, example for a table. Now we will execute this query to this statement object. So this is statement execute query SQL. Similarly, if you want to insert update a string SQL, then you need to insert this MPI values and execute update SQL. Similarly, so you need to execute the query with the SQL queries. Now steps to connect. Now process the result. Result set एक class है जिसका ये object है. What we need to, जो भी यहाँ से execution होगा इस वाली line से, that we will stored in RS, and we'll find rs.next iterate integer string dot name, and we will verify the result set, and if it is okay, then we need to stop the connection, close the connection, release all the resources that the connection is holding like a statement dot close and con dot close. तो ये पूरा ओवरऑल है समराइजिंग. लाइक हमने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया ड्राइवर को लोड करना, वी मेंटेनिंग अ कनेक्शन, statement firing, and then execute the query, and this is the output. So this is the close connection. In this connection, in this type, we need to connect all the JDBC and ODBC drivers. So it is similarly simple. It's like a phone call. You need to hear, आपको एक कॉल करना है, इसको एक सिंपल एग्जांपल से समझते हैं. यू नीड टू call someone and you need to execute some queries. So what we do, define the connection URL. You need a connection. For this you need a URL, so you need a phone. Similarly, establish the connection. You need to dial the call number. Now create the statement object. You need to think what you need to speak, like you want to know that whether result is declared or not. So you need to think. Similarly, when connection is established, you need to speak that hello my friend, that result is out or not. Similarly, execute a query. Now process the result. Your friend will reply you that yes, this is declared, or whether it is not declared. So process the result and then close the connection. तो इस तरीके से आप JDBC एक जावा एप्लीकेशन को डेटाबेस के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड दीज आर द मेन स्टेप्स फॉर connection. Now we will see in the next program how it can be done. Thank you so much. Thank you.